The purpose of the Commercial Courts Act 2015 is to ensure speedy disposal of high-value commercial disputes. This act provides for the constitution of commercial courts which specifically deal with commercial disputes above a specific value. Hello sincere aspirants, I am Mayank and you are watching Legal Bites. You can count on us for all your legal learnings and law exams, be it mock test series, previous year papers, real-time practice, PDFs, study material and much more. So in this video, we are going to cover every aspect which is important for this legislation so that you are able to understand and attempt every problem in your exams or in practice. So the date for commencement for this act is 23/10/2015. So let us start with the key objectives of this act. The four major important objectives or purposes of the Commercial Courts Act are speedy disposal of commercial disputes, predetermined pecuniary jurisdiction, express bar on the revision of interlocutory orders or commercial courts, special division to reduce the burden of the courts dealing with general matters. You need to note down these purposes for a clear understanding of this act. And now let us look at the important definitions. There are two important definitions that we all must understand and remember. First is the commercial dispute under section 2 clause 1 and subclause C, which defines the scope of the term commercial dispute. The term commercial dispute which includes but is not limited to disputes arising out of ordinary physical transactions of merchants, bankers and the like, issues relating to admiralty and maritime law, agreements of franchise, license, joint ventures, shareholders, etc., and also intellectual property rights. So the definition is inclusive in character and it covers a wide array of transactions. The second important definition is of specified value under section 2 clause 1 and subclause I. This clause defines specified value in relation to a commercial dispute. This means the value of the subject matter of the dispute, which is determined in accordance with the section 12 of the Act. The specified value shall not be less than 3 lakhs. So this means that it only covers cases beyond 3 lakhs. So let us now look at the important sections. Please note down these important sections or mark in your Bare Act. So the important sections are section 3, Constitution of Commercial Courts, section 3A, Designation of Commercial Appellate Courts, section 8, Bar against revision application or petition against an interlocutory order, section 12A, pre-institution mediation and settlement, section 14, expeditious disposal of appeals, section 16, read with this schedule appended to the Act, that is amendment to the CPC 1908 in its application to commercial disputes, and section 23, repeals and savings. So these important sections you must note. If you don't have time, don't read the whole Act, but you must read these important sections. Now let us look at the important amendments to Civil Procedure Code for commercial disputes, which are mentioned in the schedule appended to the Act. That is sections 36, 26, 35 and 35A, which stands amended. Next, new order 13A has been inserted, which deals with summary judgment. Rule 3A under order 6 has been added, which reads for forms of pleadings in commercial courts. Order 11 is replaced in entirety as disclosure, discovery and inspection of documents in suit before the commercial division of a high court or a commercial court. Let us now look at the other major amendments. So the Commercial Courts, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Amendment Act 2018 was a very major amendment. We'll discuss the key highlights only. So the first one in this regards is with regards to the title. The title of this act prior to the amendment was the Commercial Courts, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Act 2015. After this amendment, the act is called the Commercial Courts Act 2015 as we call it presently. The second major amendment was with regards to the pecuniary jurisdiction. The minimum limit of the specified value prior to the amendment was rupees 1 crore and post amendment it stands at rupees 3 lakhs. This is a very major development as this has increased accessibility and also enhanced the jurisdiction. The third major amendment was with regards to the appointment of judges. Prior to the amendment, the state government was bound by the concurrence of Chief Justice of the High Court. Now, after post amendment, the state government is no more bound by the concurrence of the Chief Justice of High Court. The fourth major amendment was with regards to the alternate remedy. Prior to the amendment, there was no provision for alternate remedy. After the amendment, alternate remedy in the form of mandatory pre-institution mediation has been added. The fifth major amendment was with regards to courts. Prior to the amendment, there was 3 courts: commercial courts, commercial division of High Court, and commercial appellate division of High Court. After the amendment, in addition to the above, the courts, commercial appellate court headed by the district judge has been added. The other important thing to note is that this act has repealed the commercial courts, commercial division and commercial appellate division of High Court's Ordinance 2015. With this, we are done with the understanding and revision of Commercial Courts Act 2015. You may look at few important questions which will check your knowledge and understanding. You may also check our mock test series and specified subject-wise MCQs for practicing better. So start preparing and subscribe to Legal Bytes for regular videos on law. You can also drop your video request in the comment box. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and keep learning. Thank you. Jai Hind.